I should start juggling. Hey, actually, this isn't so bad. A little spin on the lemons there. The dogs think I have treats for them. Hi, welcome to Carte Cooking. I have something special for you today. We are going to make homemade lemonade using our Vitamix. So here's what's kind of cool with this. We're using something called an air container, not air like the air you breathe, but AER, air container. And it has a bit of a different blade. Can you see that? So it's more like a disc. That's what it is. It's a disc. So we are going to make fresh lemonade. You can make all sorts. You can make strawberry, you can make basil or cucumber lemonade. Have I ever actually had cucumber lemonade? I don't think I've had cucumber lemonade. Have you had cucumber lemonade? That's a different one. We might have to try that. Anyway, I digress. We're making lemonade. Ingredients that you will need: lemons, half a cup of water. We're gonna use half a cup of ice and a tablespoon of sugar. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna cut the ends of your lemon off, just like so. Okay, we're gonna use the whole thing. So let's cut this down into pieces. Okay, maybe my knife needs sharpening. Let me grab a serrated one. There we go. And, ooh, it's juicy. Okay, so we're gonna take our 5 pieces of lemon, that is a juicy one, and pop that in there. We're gonna use our tamper when we're ready for this to muddle it down. Half cup of water, half cup of ice, and a tablespoon of sugar. There we go. If you like your lemonade sweeter, you're gonna do 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can always add more sugar, but you can't take it away. So start with less and then add more. Okay, we're going to program this for 1 minute. Set our timer. We're gonna do it on high. There we are. Okay, and we'll turn it up. I think that's good, but that went down my shirt. Ooh, that was cold. Okay. That needed more like 30 seconds. I know we programmed it for 1 minute, but it needed more like 30 seconds. Okay, let me dry this off. Okay. I like this little holder on the container too. All right, let's give our lemonade a try. Let me put the lid back on. We're gonna use the lid to strain it. If you wanted to use a nut milk bag, like this guy here, we have these on our website. They're amazing. You can use a nut milk bag to strain it, but I don't think we're gonna need to with this one. I'm gonna taste it. And what's kind of cool about this is you can use homemade lemonade in a cocktail or just as lemonade. Ooh, it smells good. That is delightful. Now, it is not super sweet. So if you like your lemonade a bit sweeter, you're definitely gonna wanna add more sugar. I prefer a little more on the tart side, so a tablespoon of sugar is just perfect for my palate. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We really appreciate you. If you haven't hit that like, hit the notification bell so that you get notified when we come out with a new episode. Thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you soon. So if you've been on our channel, you've seen a lot of cocktail hours. Okay, take 2 maybe.